A lot of students are often confused after they clear their grade 12 about what should be their next career move. Whether you should go into risk, or whether you should go into core finance, or whether you should go into accounts. So hopefully through this video I'll be able to help you make a better choice and explain to you why CMA might be the right choice for you in order to decide what should be your next career step. Hi guys, I'm Rushil. I'm a part of the academics team here at Zell Education, and we at Zell train thousands of candidates every single year in professional accounting and finance courses such as the US CMA, the CPA, ACCA, CFA and Diploma in IFRS. Guys, when we talk about the professional accounting and finance courses in the world, a few courses that often come to mind are ACCA, CFA. Now, these two courses in particular, along with CPA, mainly focus on either accounting, which is the case with ACCA and CPA, or core finance, which is the case with CFA. So if you're someone who is a little confused about their career and are not sure yet about which domain you want to end up in, or the company that you want to work at, or the specialization that you want, what you can do is you can start off with your US CMA. This is possible because the eligibility for the US CMA is clearing your grade 12. It does not matter if you're a science student, a commerce student or an arts student. You can start off with the US CMA, get your US CMA done in 6 months. Now, the beautiful part about US CMA is that the US CMA covers various aspects of accounting and finance. So, for example, in part 1 of the US CMA exam, there's a subject called external financial reporting decisions. Now, if this is something you enjoy, you can deduct from this that basically financial reporting is something that you like, and then you can further pursue ACCA and specialize in this particular domain and end up there. Similarly, if you enjoy corporate finance in part 2, then maybe CFA is the right choice for you, because corporate finance is core finance. It is all about raising capital, managing capital, growing capital, and then CFA is the right choice for you. Similarly, there is a topic called risk management in part 2. Now, if you enjoy this, then you pretty much know that you enjoy mitigating or deducting risk, and you can follow up your US CMA with an FRM degree or a risk management degree. So CMA in general will help you choose your next course. It is a good litmus test for whether you're interested in accounting and finance. There is a major difference between the two and what you want to do in accounting and finance. Both the categories are extremely broad, so it is important to narrow down to what it is that you like. Guys, given that the US CMA can be completed in a period of 6 months, it also means that within these 6 months, you're learning everything that you're going to be learning in your graduation or your undergraduation. So if you're someone who's chosen a BCom or a BAF, you can expect that journey to be fairly easier because you have already learned a lot of the topics in your US CMA, such as NPV, IRR and these sorts of topics. What this allows you to do is, this allows you to have a professional qualification by the time you complete your first year, walk out with either a year or 2 of work experience if that is what you desire, and if you want to get a further qualification and have complete specialization in any given domain, you follow this up with either an ACCA or a CPA, or if you're inclined towards finance, a CFA or an FRM. So guys, if you found this video helpful and if you think that the CMA course is something that can help you upskill or figure out your true interests, then please get in touch with us. We'll help you with any queries that you might have pertaining to the CMA course. Additionally, we want you all to experience the Zell learning management system, which we call NIMBUS. So we're leaving a link to that. You can watch a few lectures, you can access some of the study resources that we have, and consider liking, sharing, subscribing to our channel. It will help YouTube algorithm push this video to students such as yourselves.